Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this absolutely lovely Moriseiki model MS-850. This happens to be serial number 7253. This MS-850 Moriseiki has 17.5 inches of swing over the bedway, 33 inches between center distance, as well as the fact that it has 9.5 inches over the cross slide. The machine is currently set up with an accurate 2-axis digital readout and a very heavy patterned steel 12-inch 4-jaw American-made chuck. That being said, this is also our stock number 7737. So we'll say it's number 737. So recapping our events, we're serial number 7253 on a Moriseiki model MS-850. It's 17.5 by 33 inches between centers. Okay, a lot of information to digest. We appreciate your patience on that. That being said, we're going to go ahead and run some speeds and feeds and some threads and show you how well this machine runs, looks, and go over the condition. Go ahead, Frankie. Let's see what you've got. That's 32 RPMs. What was that one, Frank? 112. That was 112 RPM. Coming in on your right, sorry. What RPM is that? 200. That's 200 RPM. Moving to your left. I'd like to point out what he's doing here. He's very easily figuring out based upon the configuration of the chart, the threading chart, the speeds chart, the feeds chart.
285?
That's 285 RPM. Let me show him this chart real quick. I'm going to have him sneak in here. That foot brake does work well, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to kick the light on real quick just so we can show him that chart. Coming on with the backup light. Okay, good. Okay, that being said, I just wanted to point out the chart on here, how everything's laid out. And if you're familiar with Moriseiki, you can appreciate the simplicity of how the machine operates, functions, and performs. I got to move this workbench. Okay, that's 510 RPM. Now at one point, when he stops it, I'm going to show you how we just step on this foot brake. That's the safety orange foot brake down here. And then we're going to show you how the digital readout works once we're into the, all good. Once we're into the threads and the feeds. I apologize in advance for the background noise. We have the shop fan on back here. If you hear a background noise, it's the shop fan. It's a little bit humid here in Salt Lake City, Utah today.
1800.
Okay, top speed 1800. Well done, well done. Okay, so wrapping up some specs. I have I go from 32 to 1800 RPM on my spindle speeds with 12 changes. I have a number 4 Morse taper in the spindle for the tailstock. We also have this machine has a steady rest with it. It's a 5 horsepower main drive motor. The machine is currently wired at 480 volts 3-phase, right? Yeah, okay. Additionally, on this particular machine, we have a Loris CXA or a CA, one of the two. CXA, we have a CXA Loris tool post, and it does come with the one holder. Yeah, I tried this a couple times now. I just don't have enough room the way this tripod's set up. Thanks, bud. Squeak around the back here. Okay, what we're seeing here is the digital readout scale. The way this is set up here is for the longitudinal axis. You have the cross-slide axis right here on the scale. So we're going to go in and out on our cross-slide axis. Taking a fast look at these ways here. It's a nice speed. So basically the overall on this machine is it runs well, it looks great. The nice thing about Moriseiki's is you don't need to do a lot of convincing when it comes to the quality of this machine. As well as the fact that the common wear parts are still available through an outfit in Long Beach, California. Oh, let's show them this digital readout. Okay, I'm at 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Let's say we'll go to 8 minutes and we'll show them a couple other features on here, Frankster. Okay, it looks like you're currently feeding on the longitudinal bedway. Okay, let me get the DRO moving. Cross-slide. I want to focus in on that. Let me get nice and close. So when I go to look at a machine, I sure like to be able to run it and get up nice and close and get a feel for the overall condition, the ways, the cross-slide, the appearance. I hope that we can save you a few minutes in doing this video. So Machinery Consultants, quick background on us. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We've been in business since 1963. We specialize in limited use, domestic built machines, mostly manual, some CNC, but our forte is milling machines and engine lathes. Now again, this particular machine is set up with the quick change tool post, happens to be in a Loris. Has the 2-axis Accurate digital readout. Now we always make sure that you get a full complement of the manuals that come with the machine. Here's the original Moriseiki books, and I've pulled out a couple of drill chucks. We either have the new Jacobs, the new Albrecht, or we have like a nice pre-owned and a keyless or a keyed style drill chuck. You'll see on the options page on the quote under page 2, we're also listing options such as this 12-inch. This is a Bison. 12-inch 3-jaw, 10-inch 3-jaw, things of that nature. Okay, well that was 9 minutes of sheer fun. We appreciate your time, Frank. Thank you for allowing us to show you this video of the machine running here under power. Machinery Consultants, we're just a quick phone call away at 801-531-9500. And as usual, from Frank and Bill, until next time, be happy, be healthy. Thanks for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Have a great day.